Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Gains for another video. We are going to take a look at Zilliqa because Zilliqa has had an insane rip over the last 30 days, more so in the last week or two. So, I want to break this down with you, some price action, kind of explain why it might have happened. I don't know, time's going to tell. If it sounds interesting to you, please drop that like, give me a subscribe if you're new watching. Are you holding Zilliqa? Because if you are, I'm going to take you through the daily chart, show you this. I'm going to take you through the weekly chart with what's to come. I've got here the Don channel up as well, which I showed you in some of my other videos. And yeah, just really break down the price and show you what's to come, because I think we're going to see some more upside to Zilliqa. It's looking really bullish right now. Before I go any further, I need to let you know, I am not a financial advisor. These are my own personal opinions in the market. Please do your further research before you invest your money. If you know me, just know me, I always tell you guys to buy certain coins that I think are going to do really well. So, friends of mine, you bought Zilliqa, you're sitting large. And Patreons, if you were a patron of mine, you saw a buy alert a long time ago. Well, not long ago, about a month ago. Back in February, I said, look, I'm buying more Zilliqa because I believe that we will see a pump. More so for what's happening, meaning they're looking to launch a metaverse called Metapolis or Metapolis. Is that it? Metapolis. That's how you pronounce it. Metapolis. So Zilliqa powered metaverse Metapolis announces a key brand partnership with creative global talent award marketplace Agora. Is that right? Now this could be the reason it pumps, because every metaverse needs a great marketplace to be, selling their land, the in-game items or whatever it is that they're going to have. So this could be the reason why. And look at this. Look, it says here, the Metapolis is set to launch a publicly. That's the one. Hold on. No, it's going to launch. I'm just not with it. This is what happens when you go clubbing the night before. It's going to launch publicly with a VIP event on the 2nd of April in Miami, Florida. I'm not even cutting it. I'm keeping it raw, fresh, and organic like Tesco's. You know what I'm like. The physical event taking place is a signal. Is a signal towards entering the US market and the vision of bridging the gap between the physical and the digital worlds. So, and I grabbed up this, and for those who are new that don't know about Metapolis, I keep calling it Metapolis because of Cryptopolis, Cryptopolis. Metapolis. It's just they got similar twang, Metapolis Metaverse, I'm going to show you what it looks like in a second. Metaverse powered by Zilliqa is all set to launch soon. So this is a lot of the stuff that we're seeing in the news with Zilliqa. I grabbed up a video here that shows their Metaverse type, what it could look like. It was like a sneak peek preview kind of thing. And I think it looks good. So, if people are going to be roaming in this, maybe doing daily jobs, you might end up doing something that gets you a good full-grown business in this space. I don't know. But I really think that this is the reason why Zilliqa is pumping, because people are getting hyped and psyched about this metaverse stuff. And I've been saying for the longest time, guys, metaverse isn't going anywhere. Is this right? Is this Metapolis? It is. This is the sneak preview. So, it'd be good to see more updated trailers on this thing, but it does look good. It's got that very tradition, because, you get metaverse that are just games. This is a game, but they're trying to go down the route of being a full social media platform where you can go and you can socialize with friends and family, talk, get yourself a nice apartment kind of thing. I know it's crazy. The world we live in nowadays is just everything's digital. Everything's going digital. I like it. I do like it. It looks fun. NFT avatars. Okay, I'm not gonna dive too much deeper into this. I want to talk about the prices. If you are day trading Zilliqa, now could be a very good time to take some profits. Why? Because I've got two RSIs. I've got the stochastic RSI, which is the top one, and the normal RSI, which I'm dragging right up here, is the bottom one. And you can see right here, it is really overbought. What the RSI does for new people that have never seen it before is it tells you when price action is overbought and oversold. If it breaks above this dotted line that you see here, If it breaks above the dotted line, it tells you that the price is seriously overbought and maybe you should consider taking profits. Usually when it gets to about 80 to 90, that's a good time to be taking profits. This has peaked up at 88. So, you know, I've got free rewards because, you know, you get rewards and stuff. So I decided to, because, you know, sometimes you can restate your rewards or sell some. So I decided to sell some. Not a lot, not much, just whatever I got free. I'm not selling my entire Zilliqa. And when I do sell my entire Zilliqa, my patrons will know, they will see that seller, okay? So this is just like free rewards, and I just decide stake some, sell some kind of thing. But this is a good time to do it, because this is the daily time frame. This is a good time to do it. It's overbought, and then when it comes back down under this dotted line down here, that would be a good time to buy. When was the last time it was right down here? Well, we had a hint of it right here. So, and you can see what price action was like when it was like this. You know, you saw a big fall down in price all here. Look, the whole price fell down. That would have been a good price entry to buy. So, and if you saw my buy alert to the Patreons, we bought this back in February. Because if you look here, February, right? So we bought it in February. And if you take a look at the Zilliqa price here, I wanted to see what price action was like right back in February. Guys, we were buying this like a boss. Look at that. All of this, it's sort of like flatline for a period of time. And now you're just in an insane pump. And when you come further down, you can see here, look, over the daily and the hour and stuff, over the 30-day period, in the last 30 days, it's pumped 144%. Mad, crazy, ludicrous, boom. I'm just going to take you through the weekly time frame. Why the weekly? Because the weekly tells a fascinating story. Look at what's going on with the stochastic RSI, this one here. And I really want you to pay attention to this, because the momentum is come back in for Zilliqa. It's picking up. And as you can see here, we broke clean into this area here. The red is starting to come in. Whenever we see the red tangle with the blue and it crosses and then it starts to go up, that means buy power is coming in. And guys, this is big, large moves. I mean, like, that this candle here, that's an engulfing candle. Took out all of this price action that we lost over the last few months. But you know, the RSI is powerful because it shows how much buy pressure can come in. And I want to show you this. The last time we saw, you know, a cross of the colors are wrong. Hold on. Actually, it doesn't matter. Change it yellow. Hold on. Last time we saw a cross with this was right back here. Here we go, because yellow is easy to see. And, you know, momentum went up, just like what we're seeing now. Momentum's coming up. And look what happened to the price pump of Zilliqa. It went right down here from 5 cents all the way up. There was a huge pump, 163% pump. And, you know, and the top of that pump was right up here when the, you know, the momentum had peaked out. We haven't even peaked out on this move, this, you know, huge buy power move yet. So we've got a long way to go, and I think Zilliqa in the long term is really going to pump up. I mean, if you didn't want to take profits now because of that daily RSI that I showed you, I mean, I believe that this green candle is going to come right up to test this top of the Don channel. And if you're new to my channel, I'll explain a bit about the Don channel. 11 cents, almost 12 cents. It basically looks for extreme reversal trends, right? That's basically it. But you can use it as a powerful buying and selling tool, meaning if you had sold when it peaked up at the blue here, it peaked up at the blue here, you would have sold up here, you would have waited for it to come right down and kiss this blue area down here, and then you would have bought again. Look, and you could use this all the time. Anywhere near here, sell, right down here, buy. It's a powerful tool to use to know when to buy and sell, and know when the trends are reversing as well. So this is what I look out for. And you want to also use it with the stochastic RSI, this one here, because this one will tell you where the momentum is going. Meaning now, over the next couple of days, you might see it price action correct. And I think it will remain above this orange line. I think the price will come down, it will float around this orange line, make a new candle, and then it might go again and start to rise again. That's what I'm thinking. So I'm going to watch that. Of course, sometimes it depends on what's going on with Bitcoin as well, because Bitcoin plays an important role in these altcoins, because if Bitcoin falls, the rest of the altcoins fall as well. Guys, I just want to leave it here, show you what I was seeing. It's looking really bullish. I think there's more to come with this. So, you know, it could be a good buy. I've always said I see this going to a £1 price or $1 price, because there's so much great things to come with Zilliqa. You know, 1 billion market cap, that will, you know, it's what is 100x from here? 100x, no, well, 100x maybe. I mean, what's times 10 is 69. That'd be £6.90. Is it realistic on the market cap? The reason I said 100x is because right now it's at 994 million, and I see 100 billion market cap. That's why I said it. So, you know, I do see it going there. This cycle, I don't know, it might shock us all. Look, times about 100, and you know, I like to look at coins that can 100x. It will pull at a 99 billion market cap. Now remember, we had coins like Xrp in the last cycle, 2017. There weren't many people around. And it pumped to a £2.50 price, which is about $3.80. And that went to 105 billion market cap. And the most fascinating thing with XRP is the supply. There was a lot more supply going around, because you know, the lower the supply, usually the higher the price can go, which is why I believe we could very well see a £6, £7 price for Zilliqa. And what is that in dollars? Just real quick before I go, I think we will see it one day. 6 to 7. I put £7 because you know $6.99. And you know what? $6.99. Why not? $6.99. You're looking at a $9.22 price. That's what I'm calling. I think it can go to 100 billion soon. But I would be real, keep it real, look for the £1 price first. Because you know, it's not going to be far off from that. A 10x is 69 pence. So you're talking what, 13x times 13 times the price of now. So you know, it can be possible, and it won't be like a stupidly high market cap. But I'll bring another video for that, breaking it all down. Guys, I'm going to leave it here. If you liked it, please drop that like. Give me a subscribe if you're new watching. Become a patron. Because if you don't want to miss these buy alerts and you want to buy it way before it pumps, that's why you become a patron, because you get in early, and then, you know, if they're selling now, great, you know, make some nice profits. Or if they're holding longer term because they think it's going to go up higher, great. I will let them know when I'm selling, and you can know too. Become a Patreon. I recommend going for my exclusive VIP partner tier. My link is in my description. Any video, click the link in the description. You'll see my Patreon link. Let me scroll down. This one here, because this gives you exclusive access to all my posts. You can see when I'm buying, when I'm selling, when I'm staking. All of that is all in here. But if you want that little bit more, I have a CEO tier that gives you access to my VIP Telegram group. You will see things way before I buy, way before I sell. We are talking about stuff in this group, things that not many people can see right now, but they see it in this group. And we've got big money talking about big things, high crypto profile users that know how to make money. We're talking big money. I'm not joking. So, you know, check this out. 24-hour service chat support if you want to, you know, chat and talk and laugh and whatnot. Guys, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Cheers.